How to make a PDF file in mobile. This will work on both Android and iPhone. So, you don't need to download any third-party applications. Well, a lot of people tell you do. You need this website here, ilovepdf.com, and this will work on a desktop or your mobile. Once you're on it, on your mobile, come down, and let's say you have JPEGs, what you want to turn to PDFs. You can do it with, say, Excel, PowerPoint, Word. There's many other options. Let's do it with JPEG. So select JPEG to PDF here. Now we need to select our JPEG, so we'll press this big red button here. We'll take it from the photo library. Let's select some of these pictures. Just random pictures. Then once you select them, press add. If you want to change any around, press and hold and switch them like that. If you want to add any more, press the plus. Choose where you want to take the pictures from. So again, we'll select the photo library. Let's add this one here. Now it'll be added to the bottom. Let's put it to the top like that, or further up. If you ever want to delete any, press it. Press this little X. You can also turn it like that. Let's leave it like that. Then let's select Convert to PDF to make the PDF file in our mobile. It should quickly do it, and then auto create a PDF. If it doesn't, select Download PDF. You see it's already smartly done it. There you go, that's our PDF. To download it, press the download button. Then save to files. We can rename it here. Press save. Let's go to the files. Here it is, our new PDF. So that's how to make PDF file in mobile on Android and iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.